Hi there, I'm Megan, and in this video I'm going to explain how to install Gunbot from Gunbots.com. Okay, so this time I will show you how to easily configure Gunbot with emotionless trading strategy. Okay, let's do it. All right. So first step is to download the software. You can check download links below. So I've already downloaded it. Remember, you have to uncompress the file. So I already did, so we can go to bots directory and execute gunthi.exe file. Okay, so maybe your firewall will ask you for permission. If it does, click allow. Now we can access to the graphical interface by typing localhost:50 in our browser. Now the system will ask us to choose a password. In this case, my password is Gunbots.com. Note that from now on, you'll have to enter the password you chose in order to access the graphical interface. Okay, we are in the dashboard now. The first thing we have to do is to add our API key. In order to do this, click on Connect Exchange. I will add an API key for Binance. Okay, here we go. I want to make things easy, so I'm going to type the same API key for both key and master key fields. We can set delay to 10. Okay, it's done. Next step is to add the pairs we want to trade with. Okay, let's click on Trading Pairs. In this case, our exchange is Binance, and the trading strategy we are going to run is emotionless with default settings. The only parameter we need to change is trading_limit. This parameter sets the amount we want to trade for each pair. Okay, let's add some pairs. Okay, it's done. Now we can click Start Bot Core. It can take a few seconds. Nice, the bot is running. Now we'll buy and sell following emotionless strategy. So I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, please click like and subscribe. Remember that you can buy Gunbot licenses and get support at Gunbots.com. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.